Yeah, so in the National Defense Authorization Act, we are codifying President Trump's America First investment policy. Unfortunately, Americans have been unwittingly financing the Chinese military-industrial complex. Billions and billions of dollars annually through U.S. index funds, other passive investments, and then more direct investments like venture capital and private equity flowing into Chinese entities and technologies of national security concern. We are addressing this problem. We've given the Chinese access to our capital markets, the deepest, most liquid capital markets in the world, and that has actually helped finance the civil-military fusion and the surveillance state in China. We should not be giving the Chinese the rope to hang us. We need to protect American investors, and we need to stop the flow of capital into China in ways that threaten our national security. So that's what the bill does that's included in the NDAA. It has three basic components. Number one, it authorizes the Treasury Department to impose tough sanctions on these Chinese military-industrial complex companies. Number two, it puts in place some significant restrictions on U.S. investment into technologies of concern like artificial intelligence, hypersonics, microelectronics, semiconductors, artificial intelligence that could be militarized. And then the third thing it does is it requires a periodic review by the U.S. government of these Chinese entities and whether or not they should be added to these sanctions lists. There's a lot of different lists across the government, from the Commerce Department to the Defense Department to the Treasury. We want to make sure that we're harmonizing that list as much as possible and making sure that we're targeting those Chinese military surveillance companies that threaten our national security.